Download the free Quicktoo app in seconds. Complete the required personal and financial information and begin scheduling an appointment to have your vehicle picked up for all your routine vehicle maintenance needs. Need your vehicle inspected, your oil changed and filters replaced, new tires installed and aligned, or repairs made? Simply tap the app and select your services, and a Quicktoo Service Provider will pick up your vehicle from home, work, school, or play, have it serviced, and return it back to you. To schedule a Quicktoo service, enter your pickup location, choose the date and time that works best for you, and select the services you need. Your service provider will arrive within your requested time frame and return your vehicle ready to go. Only need gas? Schedule a quickie. We'll pick up your vehicle, refuel it, and return it to you with a full tank of gas for a low fixed service price. The Quicktoo app connects you with one of our vetted and approved service providers. Our drivers have completed enhanced background checks, and your vehicle is fully insured. Quicktoo has selected preferred service locations in your area to provide you with the highest quality workmanship at the best possible price. All preferred service locations have at least one ASE certified service technician or equivalent on staff to ensure your vehicle is being serviced by a trained technician. A navigational map shows your service provider's location as he approaches. You can call or chat with your Quicktoo service provider in real time directly through the app to provide special instructions, like where to pick up the keys or to ask a question. Phone numbers are masked to ensure complete privacy. The Quicktoo app allows you to follow your vehicle as it goes to the gas station or for an oil change. You'll know where your vehicle is every step of the way. Having an oil change and need an air filter replaced? Your service provider will contact you for approval of any additional services or expenses through the app. Easily pay for all your servicing needs directly with your debit or credit card on file. All data is secured by a compliant payment processor. When your vehicle is delivered back to you, your receipt is provided for your review. What's your reason for using Quicktoo? Short on time? Busy with kids? Inclement weather? Safety and security? Remember, we are convenient, reliable, and quick too. That's how we got our name.